Hi there, scientists and engineers. Miss Bobby here. I'm here with my collecting assistant, and I just wanted to show you that when you come collecting down at the Berkeley Marina, you don't need anything fancy. So I just have some recycled plastic containers that I'm going to put animals in. I brought this because it hurts to kneel on my knees. And then my assistant, Sunny, has, again, some recycled plastic containers. You'll need extra water when you collect, because sometimes the water will get too hot and you'll need to put in fresh salt water. So we're going to go down to the pier now and we're going to do our collecting. Scientists and engineers. So we are out here together, and you notice that I have an assistant with me. Whenever you come sampling, especially but near water, you need to make sure that you have somebody else with you in case of emergency. That can be an adult, it can be an older person, but make sure whenever you're sampling in the water and around the water that you have somebody with you in case of emergency. All right, if you can see on the edge, we can see that there's some brown algae. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reach my hand down and then I'm going to pull up some of these organisms that are attached to the floating dock. So, excuse me, assistant, could you please hold on to these so they don't blow away? Then I'm going to lean way over and I'm going to feel onto the dock. I can feel that this red alga right here, this one is probably Gigartina, and there's a little bit of green alga. That one's called ulva. Sunny, would you like to do a little sampling also? See what you can find? Here, I'll start another sampling container. Ooh, oh yes, you found some ulva. That's a green. All right. Let's see. I'm going to put these down like this. Hopefully they won't blow away. That's the trick. All right, so go ahead and do some sampling. This extra water in case the water gets warm, because cold water has more oxygen in it, and for the animals we're going to collect, we need to have a lot of oxygen. For some of our sampling it's going to be fine because there'll be algae in there to make oxygen for them, but it may not be enough. Oh, beautiful. Oh, you found, oh, excellent. You found some mussels. Yeah, get those definitely in that sample container. Get another batch. And if this is a little, having to reach a little bit far, we might also try another sampling area, yeah. All right. Oh, I see something orange. Ooh, fantastic. I think, oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous here. I'm seeing, looks like a combination of mussels and maybe some tunicates. And, ooh, definitely a lot of mussels. And this orange could be tunicate. Wonderful. Ooh, another big tunicate. Ooh, yeah, sorry, tunicate. What are you finding? Oh, wonderful. See if you can find any sponge. Feel around and see if you feel any sponge. Can't be out for too long. So, there's a couple. These are mussels. And then I can tell by feeling that this is a sponge because it is rough. This one is very smooth. This one is the tunicate. There you go. And then here's a different one. Yeah. All right. And these are more tunicates. And lots of mussels, and more tunicates, and a lot of sediment. And this one, on this edge, is called a hydroid. So we'll get a chance to see those closer up when I get home and put them under the microscope. Oh, and this is Gigartina. It's an alga. Those bumps on it, that's how you know it's a Gigartina. Okay. So when Sunny and I come to do the sampling, we don't have to worry about touching anything, but because there's bacteria in the water, we didn't bring any soap and water. But what we're going to do is we're going to clean our hands with our alcohol. And this way we make sure that we don't have to worry about bringing home any bacteria.